Hi there, welcome to MARAT'S Kitchen. I'm so happy that you're joining me today because as fall is approaching, more foods that are fall related are on the menu. And so today we're making roasted vegetables, roasted root vegetables with some bell peppers, garlic, and red onions. These flavors really work very well together. They're beautifully colored. They provide a nice eye appeal, and roasted vegetables brings out their natural sweetness. As the sugars within the vegetables caramelize, they have this extra layer of flavor that I think you're just going to fall in love with. And it's an awesome side. It can be a main meal also, but it also can be a side to go with your roast meats or your vegetarian main meals. So let's get started. I'd love to show this to you. We're gonna have the roasted vegetables mixed with some olive oil and some rosemary. We're gonna roast all of that. I can't wait to show you how to make it, and I can't wait to show you the final product. So let's get started. So the roasted vegetables are done. They look amazing and they smell amazing. These are fall smells and fall colors and fall flavors. And I really hope and encourage you to try these at home. They're beautifully roasted. They've got that caramelized color on them. They're gonna taste a little bit sweeter. And it's just such a nice variety. We've got parsnips and carrots. We've got peppers and red onions and garlic, of course. You can change up the vegetables, you can add different kind of herbs and spices. This works as a really good combination, rosemary and olive oil. And I used a special lemon infused olive oil, which you can probably find at many specialty stores. So give it a try. Thank you for joining me in MARAT'S Kitchen. I welcome you here every single week. We upload a new video every single Sunday. Thank you for joining me. Turn on your notifications so you know when there's a new video being uploaded. Share, like, and let all your friends know. Try this at home and leave a comment. Let me know how your friends and family enjoyed it and how easy it was for you to prepare it. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.